song. I can do it how I want to. Compete. When I step off in the ditch, I just wanna party. If you don't know, Covita what they call me. Hustling all weekend, I've been grinding all day.
So today is the day. It's my baby. We about to get that mid muffler delete. So I'm gonna show y'all the before, and then I'm gonna show y'all the after. Hopefully that thing is not too loud. Hopefully it sound good. I don't know, we're gonna see. But we fresh off the dealership, and this day 3 of ownership, so we about to see. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna let y'all hear it start up real quick. This may be the last time it start up like this, so hey, let's see. I hope this thing sound good. I watched a couple videos on it, and then the Challenger that I had before sounds so good. This junk right here don't got that rumble just yet, so hopefully this thing sound good. Hopefully it ain't too loud, cause you know, we live in a neighborhood. Hopefully this thing ain't too dang loud. So we gonna see. Here you go. That's it. It's the moment of truth, boy. We gonna see what she hitting for. So we under that bitch. They cut none of that, shorty. It is the moment of truth. Got me nervous, but it's all good. But check out my boy over here, got the 96 Impala. I don't know if you can see it, that junk crazy. He got the green paint, chrome wheels. Wait till he pull that junk out too. Yeah, we out here though, moment of truth. Me and muffler delete, we about to see. Hopefully this junk ain't too loud. Hopefully it sound good. Yeah, that's better. That's better.
Let's see right there. I can move there.
That's better.
That's how you can.
Yeah, that sound better. Alright, one more time, moment of truth. I don't think I was recording when he backed it out. Yeah. That's it right there. Yeah, that sound way better. She sound like she done opened up. That's what we wanted. Yeah. Alright, so there we is. Oh. That's what we wanted. Alright, what's good, y'all? So I came across an issue already. So when I'm driving at like real low speeds, it make like a real creaky noise, like it just don't sound good. So I'm going back up to the shop to see if they can look at it, see if something is out of place or whatever the case may be, man. I don't know. Everything that I read online, nothing said that it would do that. Nothing said that it would. I just haven't read anything that make this noise that I'm hearing. So I'm about to go back up there, see what's up, man. See what's up. Need I remind you too, this is a brand new car. So if from what I've researched, from what I've known, deleting the mid muffler shouldn't make this crazy creaky noise at the bottom, man. And this when I'm like in reverse, excuse me, and then like when I'm in like real low speeds, it just kind of I was burping at the same time, but it just don't sound right, man. It's a brand new car. I don't think it should do that. So we about to see, man. On the way back to the shop, they say they're gonna look at it, see what's going on, see if we can find a solution to it. But yeah, we gonna see. Hey, am I looking in the camera? It'd be weird because you know you look right here. Anyway, so I went back to the shop, and Buddy found the problem. It was like a vibration under the car. So I guess when he took out the mufflers, the way that the pipes are, at a low frequency, it like creates like some type of weird vibration. So anyway, long story short, so Buddy took like some type of little metal clamp, and he clamped the two pipes together so that they don't make that vibration or whatever. He explained it way better than I can, but it made sense when he explained it. But anyway, so he put clamps on it. He kind of melted it up, not melted it. He kind of locked them in place under the car. And anyway, he fixed the problem, bro. So it was a low vibration. If y'all ever get y'all muffler deleted, and you driving and you hear like a little crazy little vibration, it kind of sound like a door opening or a squeal. It's just a weird noise. It was like, it sounds stupid. But anyway, so it's a vibration. So all they gotta do is take the little clamp them joints together, and we good. I got that thing running back there. I don't know if y'all can hear it. You know it's insulated in here. But yeah, man, I'm happy with it, bro. That joint sound real good. It sound real good. I was running around so much and I forgot to update y'all because I was on the road. I went and got the tents. I know you probably can't see it, but these joints 5%. 5%. Let me show y'all real quick, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna show this. I don't know if I was gonna do another video about it or I didn't know what I was gonna do. Check me out. 5%. You hear me riding like the limo. And my baby back there making that rumble. Yeah. So now this to conclude the video. Won't?
When I step off in the ditch, I just wanna party. If you don't know, Covita what they call me. Hustling all weekend, I've been grinding all day.